How to log in to Instagram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Instagram account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, make sure that you have the Instagram app, and after you already have the app, simply open it up. After you open the app up, simply head over to the username section and type in your username. After you type in your username, simply just head down below and then type in your password. Now type in your password that you have already created and then tap on login. If you do not have the password, tap on create new account if you don't have an account, or if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgot password and create a new account. Create a new password, and yeah, you are now logged in into your account. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.